Let's talk about lifecycle hook in Laravel Livewire. So basically, Laravel Livewire have three lifecycle hook: mount lifecycle hook, hydrate lifecycle hook, and updated lifecycle hook. Before updated, we can run updating lifecycle hook, and we can also scope the updated lifecycle hook. So let's jump into our code editor. From previous episode, we have following code, and first thing first, let's see the mount lifecycle hook. So let's create a public function called mount. Let's keep it simple for now, and let's say $, this name equal to Tony. Let's reload. We can say here is Tony, and that is the default or initial name from robot is changed to Tony. That means whenever a Livewire component is booted, the mount method or the mount lifecycle hook is executed in default. We can also pass values or parameter in this lifecycle hook or in this method. So let's say $name, and this will be $name. Let's go to our welcome.blade. Since it's a blade view or blade component, we can simply do like name is equal to, let's say, Iron Man, and let's reload this one. You can see Iron Man is here. That is, this value is accepted here in this mount method. If you are familiar with Vue.js, similar things happen. We can also use dependency injection in this methods or in any lifecycle hook. Let's say for now request and $request, and we have to do like request. Oh, I forgot here the semicolon. Request, say input name or name. So let's reload once again here, and we can send parameter from the URL like say name equal to Tony Stark. Yeah, we can see here Tony Stark. That is, we are doing dependency injection. We can do dependency injection in any lifecycle hook. So let's get back to the previous code. Say let's clear this, and also the dependency injection. Now reload. Okay, we can see Iron Man, set Tony Stark from. Let's clear this one too. And okay, let's move on to the next lifecycle hook, that is the hydrate. So let's create a public function, say hydrate, and let's clear this one. Okay, for this I would like to create another variable, say name hydrate, and let's put that here. This hydrate equal to, say I am from Hydrate. Let's reload this one, and let's type something here. Nothing's happened. Okay, let's add here a tag. Let's say it's one. just render the hydrate variable $hydrate. Let's reload this, and whenever we type something here, it will call the hydrate method, hydrate lifecycle hook. That means whenever we send ajax request or anything like that, it will automatically call this hydrate method. On first reload, the mount lifecycle hook is executed, and after that, for any subsequent request or for any ajax request after the booting of, this will called the hydrate method. That's the function of the hydrate method. Let's move to another lifecycle hook, that is the updated lifecycle hook. So let's create another public function, say updated, clear this, and let's say, okay, let's create one more variable here, dollar updated, and let's do updated, and let's render that here too, updated. So load this, and let's do something. We can see hydrated from updated. Both lifecycle hooks are being executed, but when we press this reset, there is also both lifecycle hooks are being executed. You may say both of these lifecycle hooks are doing same functionality, but the main difference is we cannot scope the hydrate lifecycle hook. So the hydrate lifecycle hook will execute it every time we send an ajax request, or every time we make some change in the variable or the data. The hydrate method will be executed automatically, but we can scope the updated method, like let's say here updated, and whenever we do some changes here, the updated lifecycle hook is not being executed. Let's create another input field, updated, and reload this. Whenever we do something here, the hydrated is called. Let's reload, and whenever do something here, now the both lifecycle hooks are being executed. Let's reload this again. Whenever do here something, we can see this one is being updated, and the both hooks are being executed. But whenever change here, that is the name, the updated lifecycle hook is not being executed. There is one more lifecycle hook that is updating, which I am not covering in this example because I have no idea how to demonstrate it, but we can, for now I can say that this lifecycle hook is executed when the values are being updated. So that's all for today. Hope you get something useful, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode, where I will talk about child and parent components in Laravel Livewire. Bye bye and stay safe.